Hi and welcome back to a new art journaling video on my channel. Today I'm playing in the Dina Wakley Media Journal and I'm creating a page with their Arteza watercolor tubes. I recently did a review on these colors, but I think they are not the right watercolors to pick if you want to learn watercoloring. But I really enjoy playing with them in my art journals because they are a little bit more opaque and they work pretty good on gesso also. So I just use them more like a gouache paint, not as watercolors. I have primed the page with gesso before because the paper in this journal is a little bit like a fabric kind of paper and it soaks up the water immediately and also the paint, and you are almost not able to blend it. When the background is dry, I'm adding some background stamping with the Rubber Dance Mix a Sentiment stamp. I'm very sorry for the strange shadows and lightnings in my record. I believe I put the wrong settings for recording this video. I'm adding some texture with a circle stencil. This is one I made by myself with my e-cutter, and I'm using the DecoArt media molding paste. I've stamped the Butterfly Girl 1 from Rubber Dance to watercolor paper and I'm coloring it in with the same watercolors. Before I adhere my main image, I'm stamping some textured images to the background. I've used the Rubber Dance circle from the Grungy Stuff stamp set, and I'm also using the grungy borders. I'm adding in some black splatters with the acrylic ink spray. Finally, I'm gluing down the butterfly girl and also a sentiment. The sentiment comes with the grungy butterflies. This is my page for today. I apologize for the bad lighting this time. I hope you enjoyed the video anyway. Bye!